So let's look at what really happens when we write some code that involves a condition. Okay, so let's visualize this code. This is the code that we looked at in the last video. So I'm supposed to enter an age, so let's say 19. Okay, and of course age has been created. Notice it's in a global frame. Okay, so it's not inside um, some other code. Okay, so we will now be asked to enter the drinking age, let's say 21. Okay, submit that. All right, notice age has the quotes, which tells you it's a string. Drinking age has the quotes, which tells you it's a string. And that's the reason why we need to convert. And that's what we're going to do on line 9. Okay, great. So now the program is on line 11. It's going to execute line 11. So what it's going to do is to say, it's going to compute whether this thing is true or false. So after it computes it, the program ends. And so why does the program end? Well, the program ends because this was false. And because this was false, well then we do not execute line 13. And what comes after line 13? Nothing. So the program has effectively completed. Now, let's try again. But this time, we're going to enter, um, let's see. We're going to enter, let's start from the beginning. Let's try again. Okay, let's try again. Enter age, let's say 19. But this time, the drinking age will be 18. Okay, so let's convert that. Now, here, the age of 19 is greater than the drinking age of 18. So notice what happens. Python will now come to line 13 because this condition on line 11 evaluated to true, and so it will execute whatever is on line 13, and so we have one beer coming right up as the output. So once again, I hope you notice that only when the condition evaluates to true does the code inside this if get executed. If it's false, then whatever is inside the if is skipped. Great. So in the next video, we will look at how to write code that does something or handles the case where this construct is actually false. Alright, currently we're only dealing with when it's true. We want to also deal with when it's false. So I'll see you in the next video where we deal with that.